Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's provide solution. Very quickly, now here we have given 8 power x plus 4 power x to be equals to 36. Alright, we know this 8 is equal to, we can change these numbers we have right over here into base 2 to get 2 power 3, then power x plus 2 power 2, then power x minus 36 to be 0. Right? We can change to get 2 power x, then power 3, or the same, plus 2 power x, then squared minus 36 will be a 0. At right now here, we can rate a t to be 2 power x, right? So that here t power 3 plus a t squared minus 36 will be a 0. Okay, then t power 3 plus a t squared minus, by finding two numbers we can add to get 36 here, we can get 27 plus a 9 to be equal to a 0. Then t power 3 plus t squared minus, and this is equal to 3 power 3 plus 3 squared to be equal to 0. Then t power 3 plus t squared minus 3 power 3 minus 3 squared will be a 0. Okay, then t power 3 minus 3 power 3 plus t squared minus 3 squared will be a 0. Alright, okay, then this will provide t minus 3 for this one, and t squared plus 3t plus a 9. Okay, then here this is difference of two squares plus a t minus a 3, okay, and a t plus a 3 to be equal is 0. Alright, by factorization, t minus a 3 will go out to get t squared plus 3t plus a 9 plus a t plus a 3 to be a 0. Okay, t minus 3, t squared plus 3t, this one will be a 4t plus 12 will be a 0. Okay, then t will be a 3, or t squared plus 4t plus 12 will be a 0, and this is quadratic equation, whereas t 2 and 3 will be here. Okay, negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 ac over a 2a, so that t2 and 3 will be negative 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 4 times 12 over a 2, whereas t2 and 3 will be negative 4 plus or minus, this is 48, okay, okay, plus or minus square root of 16 and 48. Okay, here we shall get a number 48 minus 16, we get a 2 and we get a 3. 32, negative 32 over a 2. So T2 and 3 will be here negative 4 plus or minus 16, that is 4i square root of a 2 over a 2. So T2 and 3 will be negative 2 plus or minus 2i square root of a 2. By come up to find, we know that 2 is equal to 2 power x. So 3 will be 2 power x. We know that we have 1. By applying logarithm of 3 is equals to logarithm of 2 power x, whereas logarithm of 3 will be x logarithm of a 2. So x will be logarithm of 3 divided by logarithm of a 2. This is our answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, share and subscribe.